Welcome. If you're tired of getting constant upload notifications from Instagram and want a little more peace and quiet, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the quick and easy steps to disable upload notifications on Instagram, using the most up-to-date method for 2025. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and head straight to your device's settings. This is where you can control how every app interacts with you, including Instagram. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down and tap on Apps. This section lists all the applications installed on your phone. Next, look for Instagram in the list. You can either scroll until you find it, or use the search bar at the top to type in Instagram for a faster result. Tap on Instagram to open its app settings. Inside the Instagram app settings, you'll see a bunch of options, but what you're looking for is notifications. Tap on this to access all the notification settings Instagram offers. Now you'll see a list of different notification categories. These control what kind of alerts you get from Instagram, from likes and comments to new followers and uploads. To specifically turn off upload notifications, find the option labeled Notification Categories. Tap on it to expand more detailed settings. Within these categories, you'll see an option called Uploads. This is the one responsible for letting you know every time something is uploaded or shared. To stop these notifications, simply toggle off the switch next to Uploads. It should go from blue or green to gray, indicating that notifications are now disabled. And that's it. You've just silenced upload notifications from Instagram, giving yourself one less distraction throughout the day. If you ever change your mind, just follow these steps again and toggle the switch back on. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other tech tips. Enjoy your quieter, more focused Instagram experience.